alarms we have. Yeah.
Yes. So this I have filtered from the select catcher point of view, and this many we have got in select catcher. So this first one we have done.
I'm not talking about select catcher, Chairman. I'm talking about the same loop. Okay, with this PSH is coming from 3 transmitters, right? 2 out of 3 voting.
Correct.
Correct. There are more alarms in this same loop.
What is the more alarm?
2 out of 3 voting. There is a deviation alarm. Correct.
Correct.
So which will be how to assign this?
Chairman, this 6 and 7, 5, 6, 7. This is the one which is 2 out of 3 voting. Yeah.
Yeah.
5, 6, 7.
Some.
5, 6, 7. Okay. So 5, 6, 7. This one.
5, 6, 7. They are in a 2 out of 3 voting to initiate the hips.
Yes.
Correct.
So
the closure of the hips bulbs.
Yes. So this all will be we will go through that again for this thing to see.
Mr. Chairman, I think no need to go again. This will be identical. This is three.
Identical.
Yes, identical.
This is identical. I do not know why it is qualified as a unique. Just a minute.
Someone will go the process, understand the process. It is coming from 2 out of 3 PT. You are closing 2 SDV.
So this is this is not. I will filter here unique only, so that we don't confuse ourselves. Yeah. So now this has gone because this was unique. Now we are going for next alarm. So what is the next alarm?
Chairman, we didn't get the answer from your end. There is a 2 out of 3 voting transmitters, which is closing the 2 hips. This is the loop. Okay. This loop have multiple other than these alarms. For example, deviation alarms. Okay, hips is generating more alarms. For example, PST there is some alarms. So those alarms will how will you capture those alarms?
It is there in the alarm list.
Not there.
So why to capture here?
No, if it is not there, I have to configure this alarm. So how to capture it? Then EPC have to answer to me.
We should know it. No, we should know it in the alarm list. In the alarm list, those lists are not mentioned here. So how do we come to know?
How to capture those alarms?
First, let's check in PID whether this is considered as alarm.
No, there is a deviation alarm, right? 2 out of 3 voting, there is a deviation alarm, right?
We need to check whether this is alarm is required in PNID. If alarm is not required in PNID, how we can assign alarm for this one?
No, in the AGS clearly mentioned deviation alarms for the 2 out of 3 voting.
Ms. Guru.
No, I'm not talking about your tag list is fine. Okay, we have to configure those alarms. For this, we need a chairman have to prepare the priorities for those alarms.